Alright, CSS battle time. We have a nice little pattern. I see rotation in my future. Doesn't bode well, but I think I could position everything first. Alright. How do I want to do this? They're all going to have... I think I want to keep everything with the same background. So let's do that. Background is going to be the light color. You know what? Let's keep this simple. And let's see if we can reduce after I get it built. But let's make the HTML that and then go straight to the body. I think we're going to have paragraph tags no matter what. So let's just do 2 backgrounds, you know. Light color, get that going. There we go. Let's margin this down. Let's start there. Let's see, about 80 in the top and bottom. Let's say 120, 130. All right. So we have the body. Now, I could do a box shadow left and right and reduce it to make the squares. And then the paragraph tag could be I could do a paragraph tag that's rotated and a box shadow. But it would be a whole rewrite of a box shadow, so that won't work. Although I could probably do, you know, a left box shadow, a right box shadow, and I bet you if the paragraph tag was this one, the left one would be off screen and the right one would be about the right distance, or I could do it the right distance and still have it in here because it would be off screen because I think it would be a little bit bigger. So I think it'd be okay writing one box shadow for all of this. Yeah, let's do that. Then I only have to rotate one paragraph tag and then try to position it. But at least the box shadow, oh no, it's gonna be messed up no matter what with the rotate. Rotates are awful. Let's do it. I don't feel like this is the best solution. I'm already having doubts, but what are you gonna do? All right, 0 and then -35 pixels. Oof, that's rough. 50, 60, 70. Ooh, 180, 75. And it's not quite the right width, but it goes off screen, so it doesn't matter. Do I need to look at this differently? Because I made the middle box just the body, you know? I don't think a conic gradient would help me any. I wonder if a border like dashed would work. This might be a border dashed situation. But to do these rotated ones, we'd have to rotate an element, still have a border dashed, and you'd have multiple dashes along here. Now I think no matter what you did. Unless you did some crazy scale for the horizontal thing, but I wouldn't even know how to manipulate that. Just look at tomorrow's. Alright, let's go 175 pixels, 0, 0, and -35 pixels. Okay. We're gonna do... See, okay, you know, this is what I also don't like about the box shadow solution is I have to declare this color a second time. So maybe this is an inset. That's better than writing a whole background in a color. Since I'm already using box shadow, I already have the color, let's just keep it all set. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so we have that written. Now we need a paragraph tag. And let's put it up in our DOM here. And let's give it a height. What's the height? So I'm not sure what the height is. Let's go 60. And then let's give it an outline so I can see it. It's right there. Oh, margin. We're gonna margin it. There it is. Okay, so now it's full width and our outline is showing. Wrong color. Let's go. There we go. Now we can see it. All right. 0, 50, 40. Okay, that's about the right size. I feel like. Question is, can I move it to where I want it to go? I think we can just throw a period up in here and then, yeah, it'll move around properly. Let's say we go negative 40. Okay. And 0 and 100. Let's go the other way. Negative 40. I always flip those around. 100. All right. So 120, 140. Yeah, I think it's going to be about right there. I'm going to stretch it all the way across to the other one. Okay, about right there. And let's go 20. Ooh, like 18. Let's take this outline off. 17 and increase our height. There we go. 68, 69, 69 looks right, but let's look at the diff actually. Does look about right. Okay, now if I throw rotate on this, I wonder if I'm looking, no, I'm not looking at the box shadow. I wonder why I'm not seeing the box shadows on these at all. Okay, we have artifacts around the edges, but that's working. So why aren't I seeing a box shadow on the paragraph tag? You know? It's a star selector, it's in there, but I'm not seeing its box shadows. Let's take the rotate off. I mean, one should be showing up right here. There's no reason why it wouldn't cascade down. Let's go 50, 50. There we go. Okay. So that's there. And there's the smaller one. Okay. Okay, so they are there. Let's not go vertical. Let's do 0 and negative 35 pixels. And there we go. 80, 90, 10. Nope. 5. Oh, 5. Let's do that. And then if we rotate it, oh, really? Okay, so the box shadow, even though it's coming off of that paragraph tag, oh, I was just moving the box shadow that's on the body. Okay, let's actually write our own box shadow on the paragraph tag and just see what is happening. Let's type it properly and get this going. Okay, box shadow 50 pixels by 50 pixels. Oh, I'm overwriting it now, so it has the orange background. That's right. Okay, so if we take off the vertical, there it is. It's right there. That's what I'd expect. All right, let's take this off. Let's manipulate one of these. Let's make it 100. 15. Nothing's showing up. Nothing's, I'm not getting any box shadows on this paragraph tag. It doesn't matter whether it's rotated or not. I should be seeing something. It's nested. Has the box shadow. Is it because of the period? I should be getting these box shadows on the paragraph tag. I've had to overwrite so many box shadows before, so I don't see why. Yeah, there's no duplicate ones there. I should be seeing another set of box shadows, these 3 box shadows, because if I overwrite it, the inset disappears. So the inset's working. That's the only reason why the paragraph tag has the color it has. But I'm not seeing the other 2 box shadows. It's set back, so the distance should be... I should be seeing... Okay, let's walk this one up. 190. There should be something else there. Let's change the color on this one. Okay. Obviously, the inset box shadow is carrying through. That's real clear. And the distance, 145 pixels from the body and 145 pixels from this, should not be the same, as well as this has no vertical offset. The paragraph tag's up here, so the box shadow should be up here, even if it was lined up horizontally. There we go. It's working and then it's not. Could it be below things? But it's not. There's nothing to be below. This is the background. Those are the box shadows. Oh, you know what it's doing? I know what it's doing. All right, let's write another one. There it is. Okay. I finally figured it out. It was shrinking to nothing with the negative 35 pixels. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to write... I can't keep the box shadow in there. So we're going to do... And I got to do all that to make it kosher. That's a lot. Yep, not a good solution. Okay, but we can put the period back. Get rid of this color. We can now adjust B to be there we go. And now if we do a rotate, it's gonna move the box shadow. It's gonna be wrong. Yes, yes it is. Okay. just a little bit at a time. Oh, that looks like it's almost right. It's off by 1 or 2. This is always where it gets a little bit finicky. $149 and 148. Let's see. Let's see how close we are. Bad solution. Yeah, real rough. Yep. Let's see if 148 works. Oh my goodness. I don't like rotates. I always mess them up. No. 148 isn't working either. Is it a 0.5? Let's see. I don't think I'm going to minify the... Yeah, I don't think I'm even going to get 100%. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth chasing. Okay, so don't do box shadows with the rotate. Alright, I think I've spent enough time on this. I'll think about it. I might, tomorrow's Sunday, I might, if I have a better idea, I'll see what I can do tomorrow. But for right now, this is where I'm going to leave it. Because I could chase all sorts of combinations for a long while and not find it. And it's a game, so just do what's fun. Alright, well, I hope you got 100%, and I hope you did something different than me. I really do. Alright, catch you later.